Yo, what's up? It's just another. No, I'm not. I'm gonna start this. I'm not gonna start this video.
I don't know how to start this video, man. We're just.
Mine is Versa, and my Subaru is so dirty. It's so dirty. So we're gonna go hit up the car wash, and we're gonna do this. Ciao.
What's up?
Yeah, if I was not kidding you guys when I said my car is dirty, it is so bad. Like, man, that's what happens when you go off-roading in the snow and everything, and all the salt. It's not good. There. Look, there's a cop over there. What up, bro? It looks squeaky clean now. Squeaky.
You should ride like me. How I got my parking lights on. You should put yours on.
Yeah, I have a parking light out actually. Car's so much better.
How's that? They should be on.
Now my keys aren't in.
Oh yeah.
Me and the Body Versa, which is kind of leaving right now. We're gonna go leave now. Alright, we're going. I'm sorry that this video is kind of random and short. It's the next day now, and I realized I didn't really end the video. I was just kind of random. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Did you guys want to see more of that Versa? Because he's gonna keep modding it, and maybe one day he's gonna turbo it. I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, so if you guys want to see more videos on that, then give this video a thumbs up. And let me know if you think it's race or not. Obviously, it's not that fast of a car. It's a manual though, which is cool. And it's really low miles, so it's a 2016 Versa. And sorry for the lack of videos. I just didn't have time to make videos lately, and it's been really cold out. And now it's finally nice out, but it's extremely windy, so it's not really ideal for making videos. And in the next couple of days, it's actually gonna be freezing rain, which is not going to be good at all. Hopefully my car doesn't get any hail damage or something like that, because that would suck. It already has a little bit on the hood, and I don't want the rest of the car to be covered in hail damage. But that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.